What if the engine oil you trust is not as full synthetic as it claims? Some oils can break down faster, reduce engine protection, and even hurt long-term performance. In this video, we are exposing 10 motor oils that may not deliver what their labels promise. By the end, you'll know which oils to avoid and what actually protects your engine. Number 1. Castrol Edge Full Synthetic. Castrol Edge is one of the most recognized engine oil brands in the world, but not everything about it is as premium as it sounds. Many drivers believe they are getting fully synthetic protection, but in reality, Castrol Edge has been debated for using heavily refined Group 3 base oils instead of true PAO-based synthetics. This means it behaves like synthetic oil but is not fully lab-engineered synthetic. Back in the late 1990s, this sparked major industry controversy when competitors questioned its labeling. While Castrol still performs well under normal driving conditions, long-term high-stress use can lead to faster degradation compared to true synthetic oils. That's why frequent oil changes around 5,000 miles are often recommended. The brand is reliable, but not necessarily the premium extreme protection many drivers assume. Marketing plays a big role here, and that's where most confusion begins for everyday car owners. Number 2. Peak Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Peak Full Synthetic Motor Oil is a budget-friendly option that has slowly disappeared from many markets, but it still raises concerns among automotive enthusiasts. The brand relies heavily on Group 3 hydroprocessed base oils, which means it falls short of true full synthetic classification. While it meets API standards, independent testing suggests weaker film strength under high temperature conditions compared to premium competitors. This becomes a serious issue in turbocharged or performance engines where oil stress is much higher. Another concern is its additive package, which is relatively basic and does not provide strong anti-wear protection over long intervals. Drivers often report that oil breakdown happens faster than expected, especially in hot climates or aggressive driving. Because of this, Peak is usually recommended only for short oil change intervals around 3,000 to 3,500 miles. It is affordable, but not ideal for long-term engine durability or high-performance use. Number 3. SuperTech Full Synthetic. SuperTech Full Synthetic, sold under Walmart branding, is one of the cheapest motor oils on the market, but consistency is its biggest issue. Unlike premium brands, SuperTech does not manufacture its own oil. Instead, different suppliers like Highline Warren produce it, meaning formulation can vary depending on batch and location. While it does meet basic industry standards, testing has shown that its high-temperature stability and film strength are weaker compared to top-tier synthetics. This can lead to faster wear in engines that operate under stress, especially turbocharged or high-mileage vehicles. For normal daily driving, it performs adequately, but it is not designed for extended drain intervals or heavy-duty use. Many drivers use it because of its price, but long-term engine protection is limited. In simple terms, it is a get-you-by oil, not a performance or longevity-focused product for serious engine care. Number 4. Havoline Full Synthetic. Havoline Full Synthetic by Chevron is often seen as a trusted everyday motor oil, but it sits in a gray area when it comes to true synthetic classification. It is primarily built on Group 3 base oils using Chevron's ISO dewaxing process, with only a small percentage of PAO in some formulations. While it technically meets industry standards, it is not considered a full polyalpha-olefin-based synthetic oil. In normal driving conditions, Havoline performs well and provides stable protection. However, under extreme heat or cold, its limitations become more noticeable compared to higher-end synthetics. Independent testing has shown slightly higher wear rates in high-stress engine environments. That means more friction over time and slightly reduced fuel efficiency. For average commuters, it is acceptable, but for turbocharged engines or performance driving, it may not offer the long-term protection many drivers expect from a full synthetic label. Number 5. Valvoline Daily Protection Synthetic Blend. Valvoline Daily Protection Synthetic Blend is one of the most misleading products for average car owners. The word synthetic blend sounds advanced, but in reality there is no strict regulation defining how much synthetic content must be included. That means a bottle can legally contain a very small percentage of synthetic oil mixed with conventional base oil. This creates confusion among drivers who assume they are getting full protection. While Valvoline is a respected brand, this specific product is not designed for extended engine durability or high-performance conditions. It works fine for basic commuting, but its protection breaks down faster under heat and load. Many mechanics recommend treating it like conventional oil and changing it more frequently, around 3,000 to 5,000 miles. In turbocharged or high-stress engines, this blend can lead to faster wear. The marketing sounds premium, but the actual formulation is closer to entry-level protection. Number 6. Prestone Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Prestone is widely known for coolant and antifreeze products, but its entry into motor oil has raised questions among automotive experts. Unlike major oil manufacturers, Prestone does not operate its own refining or blending facilities. Instead, it relies on private label suppliers producing Group 3 base oils. This means the formulation can vary and often lacks the advanced engineering found in premium synthetic brands. While it meets basic API requirements, it does not stand out in terms of long-term durability or extreme condition performance. Many drivers choose it because of brand trust from other products, but motor oil is a completely different category. Under heavy engine load or high temperatures, Prestone oil tends to degrade faster compared to higher-grade synthetics. This can lead to increased engine wear and reduced efficiency over time. It is suitable for light daily use, but not ideal for performance or long-interval oil change strategies. Number 7. STP Full Synthetic Motor Oil. STP Full Synthetic Motor Oil is another budget-focused option that shows limitations in real-world testing. While STP has a strong history in fuel additives, its motor oil line is relatively new and less refined compared to established oil manufacturers. One major concern is the lack of transparency in its formulation and limited availability of detailed safety data. Independent analysis has shown that it performs adequately in normal conditions, but struggles in extreme cold starts and high-temperature stability tests. This means the oil can thin out faster under stress, reducing engine protection. It also does not consistently offer advanced viscosity grades like 0W20 in all markets, which is now standard for modern engines. As a result, it is not ideal for turbocharged or high-performance vehicles. While affordable and widely available, STP Full Synthetic is best suited for basic commuting rather than long-term engine protection or demanding driving environments. Number 8. Quaker State Full Synthetic. Quaker State Full Synthetic is owned by Shell, but it is positioned as the brand's budget option rather than a premium performance oil. Unlike Shell's advanced GTL-based formulations used in Pennzoil Platinum, Quaker State typically relies on conventional Group 3 base oils. This difference is important because GTL, gas-to-liquid technology, provides superior purity, stability, and low volatility compared to standard refined oil. In everyday driving, Quaker State performs reasonably well and meets industry standards, but it does not deliver the same level of long-term engine cleanliness or thermal stability as higher-tier oils from the same parent company. Under high heat or extended drain intervals, performance gaps become more noticeable. This can lead to slightly higher engine deposits and reduced efficiency over time. It is a solid budget option, but not a true premium synthetic, despite how the branding may appear on the bottle.